Welcome to Labii, and thank you for starting your trial with us. In this video series, we'll walk you through how to add new records to Labii. You can add a new record in Labii directly from the main sidebar. To do this, click the Add button in the sidebar. A pop-up window will appear. Select the type of record or table you want to add. A new form will then open. Simply fill in the required information and click Submit to create the new record. You can also add a new record directly from the table's list view. To do this, click the desired table name from the main sidebar to open its list view. In the list view, click the Add Record drop-down and select Add Blank Record to open the form. Fill in the required information and click Submit to create the new record. The button label will automatically adjust based on the table you're in. For example, in the Experiments list view, the button will appear as Add Experiment. Labii also supports several additional methods for adding new records, including, but not limited to, bulk add, create multiple records at once, add from template, quickly generate records using predefined templates, import records, upload data directly into Labii from external files. These methods offer flexibility for different workflows and will be covered in more detail during our training session. That's it for this part of your Labii tutorial. We hope this helped you feel more confident navigating the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your administrator or contact our support team. We're here to help. Ready for the next step? Click on the next video in this playlist to continue exploring Labii. Thanks for watching and welcome to Labii.